Let's practice chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is pronounced as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. This is a long phrase with 7 clear syllables. Break it into parts. Chronic with stress on cra, obstructive, stress on struck, pulmonary, stress on pool, and disease, stress on z's. Say each word slowly. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Then try blending them. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Now say the abbreviation COPD. Each letter is separate and should be clear and strong. Practice both versions aloud 5 times. Focus on articulation. Breathe between segments if needed. Mastering this phrase boosts your medical vocabulary.